So today, we're gonna get inspired by a true platinum 13x6 wig. So exciting. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here as well as little bell so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. So let's get into this wig from Coss Wigs. So I have done lots of wig reviews for Coss Wigs and I absolutely love all the wigs that they have to offer. This wig right here, I'm super excited as it has really two things that I'm always looking for is a true platinum color. I mean, look at that. It does not need to be toned. It is beautiful. And then of course the new kid on the block for Amazon wigs are these amazing 13x6 parting. I mean, could this be any dreamier? I absolutely love the evolution of the wigs on Amazon because they are just getting better and better every single day. So let's just get talking, of course, about this gorgeous platinum, true platinum colored wig right here. So she does say she is 24 inches and that looks about right. And she really has these really pretty waves and body at the very, very bottom. So as for layers, she does have some very long layers right here, which is great. And then let's just get talking about the construction, which is the main star of this event right here. So she does have light lace, which is amazing. She has that extremely generous and deep 6-inch parting. Hello, lover. And then for combs, she does have two combs right here on the side, and then she has one comb right here back in the middle. She does have a medium size cap, so if you require a large head friendly wig, she would work for you. And then as well, she does have lace at the very, very bottom, which is really nice. So if you do want to put her up in a pony. All right, so let's just put this girl on. So she does come with two wig caps. So as soon as she arrives, you are ready to go. But I'll be using a wig cap that I got from Amazon. I got a 12 pack of these nude wig caps for $5.99. I absolutely love it. All right, and I put my wigs on front to back. And here she is, this gorgeous platinum girl. All right, so let's take a look at the hairline. And of course, she is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, just look at that. She is really plucked out nicely. And there really isn't much to really do with her if you wanted just to glue her down. She looks just absolutely perfect. And of course, if you wanted to add powder or whatnot to the parting, absolutely do that. So let's cut off this lace and see what she's really all about. And just like that, lace cut off and she is ready to go. All right, so let's take our wig brush and just brush her out really lightly. And here she is, all brushed out, ready for her best life ever. As for shedding, she did kind of have like medium-ish shedding. Of course, the hairs are very long, so definitely not to worry because it just is long hairs and there is plenty of hair as it is 150% density to her. All right, so let's stand up to kind of see where she lands. Oh, you know what? It says 24, and maybe when she's straight, she's 24, but this is really landing at a really perfect 2022, which is absolutely one of my favorite lengths for a daily wear wig. All right, so now I'm gonna just cut my fingers through the wig so you can see that really, really great 13x6 parting right here. So it's just pure, beautiful parting right here. And then let's go on this side right here. I mean, just amazing, so good. So really great if you want to do braiding or do any kind of fun looks. All right, so now let's shift the parting as that is my favorite way to change the parting on a wig. So let's move it to my left eyebrow. All right, so here she is on this side. I think this is okay. I feel like I would have to either add a little bit of body on this side or maybe straighten this side out a little bit, or this would be a great look if I had a clip right here, or one of those fancy rhinestone clips that would be really pretty like this. All right, so let's move it to the other side. Okay, yes, I think I actually like it a little bit more on this side as it has a little bit of a pop-up right here, which is good for my giant eyelashes eyelashes so it's not in my face. And one thing that is really fabulous about this color of a wig is that if you're looking for a wig to do a special color or something really fun and like crazy, this is a great starting point. It is a true platinum color, and this would make any bright color or even light color just really pop to its fullest potential. So again, this wig is from Coss Wigs right here. Do check that out. And of course, I've done a lot of other wig reviews for them. And I want to know, do you have this wig? Do you have a perfect platinum wig? I seriously would love to know and see you in your wigs. So reach out to me on Instagram. That is a great way for you to send me pictures of you being as amazing as you can possibly be. Because remember, life is short, wear a wig and have fun. And remember, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. And if you feel fabulous in a perfectly platinum wig, wear it. Wear it, love it, and own it. I want to thank you, and we will see you soon.